why are you not making social media content? It will grow your business. Anybody here who gets most of their business from Google AdWords and SEO and SEM, they better start hedging. If they themselves made 1 to 2 social media videos a day and posted on every platform and showed people tricks of the trade, how not to hire me to help you, because you could just fix this valve. Anything that builds trust, I'm very hot on. And what I like now is if you post it and you normally get 10 views, but this one gets 5,000 organically, but you're only doing business in North Dakota, you then take that video and you run a couple $100 of ads in a 30-mile radius of your home or your office. And so now you've taken creative that works, but you make it localized, and that actually leads to business. Really happy so far at 14 days into the year. I want to be more creative this year. So I'm doing more podcasts, I'm going to do music, show the clip I told everybody. 2025 is going to be a year where I really commit to expanding my communication, making songs, like making music. I'm going to do that. Last year was this is why we didn't do a lot of vlogs or other things. What's up, Kay? How are you guys? Last year was a very big year of just head down operations. I was in essence the COO of VaynerMedia. I'm not even the chairman of VaynerX, let alone all the other things I wanted to do with VeeFriends and things of that nature. When I look at my day today, I was able to really touch on all the different things, and I'm continuing to prioritize my time. Today was a perfect day.
It says this used to be your home anyway.
It's true.
Back in the day with the wine show.
Wine away.
Oh yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
That's right. Ruby. Yeah.
Oh.
Hello, hello.
There we go.
There's something about the radio that is just incredibly cozy. I'm here to answer questions, and that's what we're gonna do. Let's get to the calls. I'm doing great, brother. Happy New Year. I say Happy New Year until about the 21st. That's my rule.
It's a little late, frankly, for the Happy New Year's. 3 days. Plenty.
3 days.
So Happy New Year. What can I help you with?
I upload my art through my website, but I don't get no sales.
What about social media content?
I have Instagram, but as well I don't get anything.
How often do you post? I'm gonna look right now, so don't lie to me.
Mostly I've been uploading through my website, not through my
Huge mistake.
social media.
Huge mistake, Juan. You just told me why you're not getting any leads. Nobody's going to websites. Social's eating up the world. You need to not only post on social your art, you need to go live on Instagram. I'm live right now. You need to go live on Instagram when you're making art. You need to talk to people on there. You need to be on social media all in as an artist. There is no other way. And you need to be on every platform, YouTube Shorts, Twitter. Like, you've got to go everywhere, brother. Your stuff has to be discovered. Nobody's going to your website.
Can you look into my website and let me know if I have any...
I will absolutely look at your Instagram. Here's what you're gonna do. In 30 days, after you posted every single day, something, and then I'll look. And if you didn't post something every 30 days, then I'm not gonna look. I need to hold you accountable to action, and that's how I'm gonna get you there.
Okay.
All right, my brother. Stay well. Come on, Dustin.
You make a huge network, you make a lot of relationships. How do you decide which ones to prioritize?
I'm in the business of maybe, being on the side of yes and maybe versus no. I do think a shortcoming of mine historically is I do say yes to too many things. I just had a 30-minute meeting with my chief of staff and my brother, and they're like begging me to prioritize properly. But from a professional standpoint, probably more of what you're asking, I've wasted my time on many things, you know, to develop new business for my companies, and that's just kind of part of the game.
Yeah.
You kind of go on what you feel at first.
Yeah.
But then over time, you'll start to get pattern recognition and you'll adjust to those observations. I believe one of the most powerful words in the world is maybe. And the reason I think the word maybe is powerful is if you fall in love and become addicted to it, it stops you from the word no. I believe if I analyze my career, that the word maybe that led to yeses and nos has been foundational for me. And I think too many people make decisions based on themselves. They say, I don't like social media because it's political or it's bad for the kids, so I won't take my dress shop and put it on social. But I don't like anything. And I watch what consumers like, and then I bring value within it.
Right.
I knew nothing about computers. I had heard about the World Wide Web. So it wasn't like I didn't know what was happening. I knew it was like that thing. But the first moments of my relationship with the internet, I was coming in with maybe. And that night, I found a message board where people sold baseball cards. And I knew, and I knew.
Amazing.
You know, a lot of you know this. I've been a yes man, and I just talked about the power of maybe. But the truth is you have to adjust to the reality of your world. And one of the things I have to work on is being a no man. I gotta say no more. It's real life. I'm incredibly focused on that. And so today was a good day of yeses and maybes, but finally some no's as well. And I'm gonna keep working on that. And so it's a good day.